We've talked a little bit about where to find snakes when you're in the woods, but you have to keep in mind they may be at your home too. They could be under the house or in piles of firewood. They like to be in these places because it's warm, it's safe, it's dark, and they don't want to be bothered. But knowing that, you have to keep in mind also that you may disturb one of them and they may feel threatened. When they feel threatened, they may form an S-shaped curve in their neck and bodies to prepare to strike. When you see this pose, just back away. You're not a food source. They don't want to eat you. They're just trying to warn you that they don't want to be bothered. If you still feel uncomfortable knowing that that animal is there, call a professional to come and remove it. Local zoos and aquariums are great places to call to find professionals who've been trained in how to identify local snakes and how to remove them, whether they're venomous or non-venomous.